Are there many advertisements in your country?
Well, nowadays it is normal to see ads even where, for example, we can see advertisements in the form of big banners and posters on the roadside. Moreover, many ads are telecast on TV during the shows. There are many radio ads. In fact, online ads are famous in my country.
Why do you think there are so many advertisements now?
In this competitive era, companies launch their products every day so to get more profit and to stay in the race companies do promotion more and more. That's why there are many advertisements now.
What are the various places where we see advertisements?
There are no place left where we cannot see the ads. We can see ads all around us such as the internet, on websites, social media, newspaper and magazines also have lots of advertising in them. Apart from it, we can see ads on TV, radio, roadside.
How do you feel about advertisements?
Honestly speaking, advertisements have both advantages and disadvantages. If we see its positive side, ads not only give information about the new product but explain the working of the product. Also, people can compare the qualities of products with each other before buying it. On the other hand, I feel very angry when ads interrupt my favorite show.
What kind of advertisement do you like the most?
Generally, I like fashion and technological equipment advertisements because companies launch new style and equipment every day. So these types of ads always give something new. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.